Hello everyone, my name is Jamileh and I'm here to talk about the assumption people with high IQ are good language learners. I cannot totally agree with this assumption. I've had many different students with different IQ levels in 14 years of experience. And I can say, as it was mentioned before, acquisition is much more important and practical than learning. And acquisition comes whenever we have the real life interaction. Of course, high IQ can help the learners to attain and understand the functions and also the grammar, but it's not enough. In fact, learning a language is much more related to the acculturation and real life situations. I can say some factors like controlling affective variables, like having self confidence, having courage, and having practice, like controlling the anxiety, like taking risk in learning, is much more important than having high IQ. Generally, a man with high IQ can never tolerate to be presented as ridiculous to the others, just like Francois Gouin while he was learning German. On the other hand, a second language learner doesn't mind to be ridiculous to the others, just like a baby while he's learning his mother tongue, by making odd sounds, by making incorrect words, and some grammatical mistakes. I'm learning Turkish language these days and I'm working on it. And I cannot say how much interaction with real life situation has helped me. And I'm sure I don't have that much high IQ. I think language acquisition doesn't need high IQ. It needs more patience, interest, practice, and also the ability to take risks. Thank you for listening. I'm waiting for your reviews. Have a nice time.